you're going to struggle. You're going to have problems if you don't keep these tools and their sockets clean. I like to wipe them down. Check for damage, especially on the locating surface. You can see where there's been a few chips that have been mashed into the back side of this tool. We'll try to avoid that any chance we can. If it were very bad, we'd actually take and file any burrs off. If we smash a chip into there, obviously we're going to displace material. That displaced material is going to keep us from locating accurately. We clean the tool. We clean the tool socket. And as beginners, to keep you guys from tightening down overly tight, I give you this real weak little thin wrench. This wrench is plenty enough to tighten these tools. I'm going to mount this tool in the socket by putting the tool in and then tightening the bolts to the tool. We're making sure and put pressure against the back of the turret so that the tool stays straight. And then we just tighten them up with the wrench. You can actually feel this wrench springing if you get too tight. So the tool is mounted flush with the face of the turret, good and tight enough with the wrench, and tool 1 is a face turn tool, which is a V and MG. And we'll describe that tool later. Now we're going to mount the grooving tool in station number 2. I'm going to index with the index button, tool index, one time down. I'm going to clean once again my tool station, making sure that I'm not going to hit any chips. I'm going to run my fingers in here to make sure there's no burrs, no foreign objects. I'm going to clean the shank of the tool. Once again, we're going to mount this tool insert facing down with the cutting edge facing down. Load it in like so. And snug these up. Once again, guys, you can see where people have rounded these. Over tightening is going to gain you nothing but distortion. It's going to cause you problems. Don't over tighten your tools. Don't over tighten your inserts. You're going to run into problems. Have to break the inserts out, get new seats, new pins and everything. Over tightening in a CNC environment is a huge problem that we're faced with every day. These are tight enough. I've got tool 1, tool 2 mounted. Next step is going to be setting the geometry offsets, and on a conversational machine we'll actually need to describe these tools. I'll explain a little bit more about that in the next video.